Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can refresh your inbox or your connected and linked inbox on Canary Mail. So let us guide you through it. So guys, open up Canary Mail on your mobile device or on your desktop computer and make sure that your inbox is connected. For example, your Gmail or Outlook or Proton Mail inbox. And let's assume, for example, you make a change. Let me go, for example, with, I don't know, pinning that email here to the top of that folder. And after that, simply click into this button in the bottom left corner to refresh there you go, to refresh your inbox. And after that, Canary Mail will automatically scan for changes, or for example for newly received or for fresh new emails received into your inbox. And you will see the last update date, which is 11 a.m. right now, 02, or the 2 past 11, and you can use that button here. But usually it updates automatically, guys, and refreshes whenever you receive a new email through the connected or from the connected inbox, guys. So you can do it manually by clicking to that button as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.